Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. My name is Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of the dealership, and most of you know me, but if you don't know me, I'm the owner of the dealership, and Harley-Davidson of Danbury is a 30-year family-owned dealership. Now, what I have here today is something that you're not going to find at another dealership. We recently did a raffle with a not-for-profit, and the winner of the raffle won this bike, a 2025 Red Low Rider Special. But the winner traded it in. So you get to buy a new Red Low Rider Special 2025 for a used bike price. Let me walk you through this motorcycle. It's under $21K, $29.95, and you got a factory warranty that runs until August of 2027. So you're going to get to buy a new Low Rider S for a used price. But check out this bike. You've got the upgraded red paint, the blacked out motor, 117 cubic inches of awesome Milwaukee 8 horsepower, an inverted fork with double disc brakes, ABS brakes, traction control, all standard equipment. Mid controls, forward controls available as an option. You've got ride modes, LED turn signals, front and rear on this motorcycle, and I believe even the headlight is LED now. But you've got street mode, rain mode, sport mode, and 114 horsepower right out of the box from Harley-Davidson on this, because the bike comes standard, the Low Rider S 2025 with a Screaming Eagle cam. 2-into-1 exhaust, more efficient, more mid-range torque where you ride, heavy breather style air cleaner, excellent Michelin tires, double disc brakes all around. Come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Come see this bike, ride this bike. Again, the best pre-owned bikes and the biggest selection is at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Thanks, and I'll see you at the dealership. Let's go riding. The weather is beautiful right now in September.